How to use AI to plan your day. Simple steps. Planning a day can feel overwhelming when your tasks and ideas are all over the place. AI can help turn everything into a clear, simple outline you can follow. Start by listing everything that's on your mind. Tasks, errands, messages you need to send, chores, or anything you want to remember. Write them out in one place, even if the list looks messy. Next, give this list to an AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask it to group your tasks into categories like work, home, personal, and errands. This helps you see your day more clearly. Then ask AI to identify your top 3 priorities for the day. These are the tasks that matter most or will make the biggest difference if you finish them. Now ask AI to turn everything into a simple schedule. You can say something like, create a plan for my day between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Leave space for breaks. AI will build a clear outline with time blocks, small steps, and realistic pacing. If something doesn't fit your real schedule, you can adjust it or ask for a new version. AI is most helpful when it gives you a starting point that you can shape to your needs. You can also ask for reminders, helpful habits, or a quick summary of your most important tasks. Using AI this way makes planning faster and reduces the mental load of figuring out where to start. Thanks for learning with T and Tech. Hit subscribe and see you tomorrow.